Having a data center for DR is no longer cost-effective. Organizations are increasingly looking at public cloud as a target for DR. Amazon Web Services is one of the leading vendors in the public cloud space. Veritas Resiliency Platform can orchestrate the movement of workloads between an on-premise data center and the AWS cloud. And this is how it works. So here we have our on-premises data center. And over here, we have an environment configured within AWS. Resiliency Platform enables data movement using a couple different components. Key thing to look at here is our data mover. This is actually a virtual software appliance that's installed here on premise within an ESX host, within a VMware HA cluster, that has the ability to move data from these VMs across to a data mover on the AWS site that it's paired with. That data mover on the AWS site can then apply the replicated data to an EBS volume. In the event of a migration, Resiliency Platform configures an EC2 instance and attaches this EBS volume to that EC2 instance and brings it online. Another option available with Resiliency Platform is what we call the Data Gateway. So the Data Gateway is a Resiliency Platform option that essentially uses native cloud services within AWS to enable the communication between our data mover on-premise and Amazon S3. This gives you the advantage of additional durability and scalability, which is built into the S3 service. Our data mover can then pull the data from the S3 bucket and apply it down to an EBS volume, which again, in the scenario where a migration occurs, would then be attached to an EC2 instance that would be created by Resiliency Platform. Another thing to note here is there is no format conversion. And this can save a considerable amount of time throughout the overall DR process. There is also bidirectional communication between our Resiliency Manager in the AWS site and our Infrastructure Management Server to ensure consistent replication of data between the two sites. And this can all be executed with one single click, making DR between an on-premise data center and AWS simple.